This video is for all the students. In this video, I am going to share some simple and practical tips. These tips really help you score better marks in the exam. Tips and strategies you can use to write your exams more effectively and score more marks. Let's start it. Tip 1. Read the question paper. Reading the question paper is essential to understand the questions and familiarize yourself with the questions to be completed and effectively manage your time while answering the questions. Tip number 2. Start fast. Usually start the exam, you tend to write slowly on detailed answer with beautiful writing. And towards the end, you run out of time. You are scribbling the answer in a hurry. So you remember, start fast. Number 3. Use the reading time. If you're given some reading time before you start writing the exam, use it effectively. Read the instructions very carefully. Read the entire question paper. If there are choices to be made, make the choice decisions in the reading time. So you are not doing that while writing the exam. Check before going to the next. After you write one question, check that question before going to the next question. You should check that question if you will write the entire question and also you will miss any points. Often it happens you didn't part A and part B and missed out one part C. So you remember, before you move on to the next question, check that question. Next, don't write extra answers. Many students write extra questions, hope that the examiner will select the best one. Remember, the examiner has so many papers to correct it. So don't irritate them by asking them to check extra questions. So you choose question best and don't write extra questions. Next, don't waste time on one question. If you write one question, you get stuck that question, give some blank space for it and go to the next one. You don't waste 20 minutes or 10 minutes time on 5 mark or 3 marks or 2 mark questions and lose out of 10 marks because you won't complete the question paper. So come back to the tough question at the end, then you are more relaxed since you will complete the paper and the answer will strike you. Next, don't look around. When you are in the examination room, focus on your paper. Don't look around. Don't look at the expression of your friends because limited time you have in the exam. It's all your time and give it your best answer. Be in the moment and just focus on giving your best. Don't bother about the next. Next, write known answer. Writing a known answer first in an exam can help you gain confidence and momentum. By starting with a question you are familiar with, you can easier write into the exam and reduce the anxiety. So, write the known answer first in the exam. Don't leave a blank answer. Write some answer. Remember, don't leave a blank answer. Write something. Take a smart guess. You never know. It may turn out to be right. It happens to many students. You are thinking the right answer, but you didn't write it. Since you were not sure because you may get step marks, the answer is right. So you write some even if your answer is wrong. Next, neat presentation. Neat presentation demonstrates to the examiner that you have taken care and pride in your work, which can create a positive impression and also makes your answers easier to read and understand, which can help the examiner to follow your thought process and award you the marks you deserve. So, have to give neat presentation in the examination. Next, use topic and subtopic. In your exam, you to organize your thoughts and present your answers in a clear and structured manner if you use an topic and subtopic. You can also ensure that you cover relevant points and provide comprehensive answer if you use the topic and subtopic in the exam. Next, image and block diagram. Including images and block diagrams in your exam shows your critical thinking and problem solving skills and help to assess your understanding communication skills and ability to apply knowledge in a visual context. So remember, you have to give the block diagram for 10 more and 5 more questions. Next, check all the questions attended. Checking all the questions attended in an examination is important. It helps ensure that you have not missed any questions, allows you to review your answers for accuracy and gives you the opportunity to make any necessary corrections or additions before the exam ends. This process can help improve the overall quality of your responses and prevent any unintentional omissions. So check all the questions attended in your exam. Thank you.